Dziennik Rzeczpospolita writes about the changing Polish labor market, with Asians replacing Ukrainians in factories, hotels and building sites. Luxury hotels have seen the arrivals of waiters, cooks and maids from the Philippines, Indonesia and Africa. Roman Kucierski, managing director of the five-star Hamilton Hotel in Świnoujście, praises them as very reliable, stable and polite workers who excel in service. Today, more than 60% of his crews are foreign. Before the pandemic, Ukrainians were the majority of foreign workers. But in the last 2 seasons, and especially this year, the number of workers from other countries such as Kenya, Tunisia and Indonesia has been growing rapidly. The latest Eurostat data confirm that Ukrainians are on the move to other countries, such as Canada, Spain and Germany. At the end of June, over 1.3 million Ukrainian refugees lived in Germany, while in Poland their numbers fell below 978,000. The Union of Entrepreneurs and Employers organization warns that Poland is losing the race for immigrants from Ukraine. The organization calls for a clear definition of the refugees' legal status perspective and language and vocational training to encourage them to stay in the country, which would also be used to stabilize the stay of workers from other countries. Ukrainians continue to make up the largest group of foreigners registered with Polish social security services, but they are declining. While reached 75% in 2019, it dropped to 68.2% by end of July of 2023. Increasing numbers are coming from other countries, including Belarus, Georgia, India and Philippines. Their numbers in the Social Security Services registers has been more than doubled in the last 2 years.